Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we transform your living spaces into extraordinary environments. Today, we're diving into the world of small space gardening, and let's explore how to maximize your outdoor area, no matter how tiny it may be. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Landscaping design for small gardens is all about creating a beautiful and functional outdoor space, even in limited areas. It's the art of maximizing every inch of your garden, turning it into a serene oasis. A well-designed small garden offers a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond its aesthetic appeal. Let's explore the advantages of investing in a beautifully landscaped outdoor space. Here are some of the benefits of landscaping your small garden. First, enhanced curb appeal. A well-landscaped garden can significantly boost your home's curb appeal. Second, improved mental health. Spending time in nature, even in a small space, can reduce stress and improve mood. Third, increased property value. A beautifully landscaped garden can add value to your property. Fourth, eco-friendly living. Gardens contribute to a healthier environment by absorbing carbon dioxide and providing habitat for wildlife. When choosing plants for your small garden, consider their size, growth habit, and maintenance needs. Here are some excellent options. 1. Dwarf shrubs. These compact shrubs add color and texture without taking up too much space. 2. Perennials. Perennials return year after year, providing consistent beauty with minimal effort. 3. Vines. Climbing vines can add vertical interest to fences or walls. 4. Ornamental grasses. Grasses offer movement and texture, especially in minimalist gardens. 5. Flowering plants. Brighten up your garden with colorful annuals and perennials. Ready to transform your tiny outdoor space into a garden paradise? Let's dive into some simple yet stunning decoration ideas. Here are some tips for how to decorate your small garden to look beautiful. First, vertical gardening. Utilize vertical space with wall-mounted planters, trellises, or hanging baskets. Second, pathways. Create defined pathways using stepping stones or gravel to guide visitors through your garden. Third, focal point. Establish a focal point, such as a sculpture, bird bath, or unique plant to draw the eye. Fourth, outdoor lighting. Illuminate your garden with soft, ambient lighting to create a magical atmosphere. Fifth, water features. Even a small pond or bird bath can add a soothing sound and visual appeal. Ready to transform your tiny outdoor space into a garden paradise? Let's dive into 10 captivating small garden landscaping ideas that will inspire you. 1. Zen garden. Create a serene oasis with minimalist design principles. Use raked gravel to symbolize water, carefully placed rocks, and low-growing moss to create a sense of tranquility. 2. Cottage garden. Embrace a romantic and whimsical style with a profusion of colorful flowers, winding paths, and rustic elements like weathered fences and birdhouses. 3. Formal garden. Achieve a symmetrical and structured look with clipped hedges, geometric shapes, and formal pathways. This style is perfect for creating a sense of order and elegance. 4. Tropical paradise. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise with lush foliage, vibrant blooms, and exotic plants like palm trees, bird of paradise, and bromeliads. 5. Urban oasis. Maximize your limited space with vertical gardening, container gardening, and drought-tolerant plants. Create a green haven in the heart of the city. 6. Herb garden. Grow your own herbs for cooking and medicinal purposes in a compact and functional design. Use raised beds or containers to maximize space and easy access. 7. Rock garden. Utilize rocks and stones to create a low-maintenance and drought-tolerant garden. Plant drought-tolerant succulents and alpine plants in the crevices of the rocks. 8. Secret garden. Create a secluded and intimate space with dense plantings, winding paths, and hidden seating areas. Use tall hedges or fences to create privacy. 9. Fairy garden. Let your imagination run wild with miniature houses, figurines, and whimsical plants. Create a magical world for fairies and other mythical creatures. 10. Rooftop garden. Turn your rooftop into a green oasis with raised beds, container gardens, and drought-tolerant plants. Enjoy stunning city views from your elevated garden. Remember, a small garden can be just as stunning as a large one. With careful planning and creative design, you can transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and functional haven. For more inspiration and design tips, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Share your own small garden transformations in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.